Hi, welcome to Mueller-Spalding Chiropractic. When entering our office, you'll notice that we have quite an extensive testing system to find out exactly what's happening with you and your nervous system. Now, one of the most important tests we do in this office is from the Insight Millennium, and it's called the Core Score. The reason why we do this is we want to find out not only how you're feeling, but actually how your body and your nervous system is functioning. So I understand that you came into our office today because of the pain and discomfort that you're experiencing, and I know that you're concerned about that, and so are we. But more importantly, we're going to really focus on the function of the central nervous system. Pain is a part of your nervous system, and it only makes up about 8 to 10% of the nervous system. Did you know it was such a small percentage? Well, there are two more important parts called the autonomic and the motor nervous system. The first test we do today is the heart rate variability test. And that test will actually show us how your overall ability is to adapt to the environment and the stress that you're under. It does this by looking at the timing of your pulse and determining the balance and tone of your nervous system. A low heart rate variability test is associated with aging and poor heart health. A high HRV is associated with better adaptability and a healthy lifestyle. This is about a 6-minute test, and we try to get you to relax as much as possible when you're in here, and we don't even let you answer your cell phone when you're doing this test, so you have total quiet, total peace and relaxation. Now, the second test we do with the Core Score is the thermal scan, and is used to assess the part of the nervous system that helps to control your organs, glands, and blood vessels. It's called the autonomic system. The instrument does this by precisely measuring differences in temperature along the spine. Since proper function of the organs, glands, and blood vessels is essential to healing and living well, this test gives us great feedback on how you are functioning, not necessarily how you are feeling. It's a huge difference. Now, the third test that we do here is known as a surface EMG. And this will actually evaluate the function of the muscles that support your spine, which are controlled by nerves. This test shows the pattern of how energy is distributed throughout the muscles. This exam shows areas and patterns of abnormal tension and stress, weakness, spasms, fatigue, tightness, things of that nature. So by precisely measuring the muscle activity, your progress can be followed as your care progresses. So my question is, do you think it is more important to focus on the 8 to 10% of the sensory system that controls pain, or the 90% that actually is your autonomic system, which keeps you alive and functioning correctly? And you probably answered correctly. The 90% that keeps you functioning well and living well. So that's why we have this equipment. It's important for your care. So again, should you and I focus on how you're feeling or focus more on how you're functioning? Functioning is the right answer. Thank you.